over making a bar chart using the Electoral College data, and we want to look at how many presidents have been elected from each region of the country. In order to make a bar chart, we have to actually transform the data before we use it. We can demonstrate that by making R give us an error message. So with bar plot, the command to create a bar chart, we just need to enter the name of one variable. And if we're entering our dataset name Electoral College and the column region, if we try to create a bar plot just using that, R will give us this error that what it wants is a height. What that's telling you is that it wants not the raw list of categories in the data. It wants you to give it a list of the categories and the number of observations, the height of each bar that you want. And in order to do that, we need to set up the intermediary step of creating a table. And we can do that with the command table and entering our data set and column name again. And when we run the command table, it gets us a table with all of the unique values in our data, Midwest, Northeast, Southwest, and the number of observations. That's a valuable command when you're just looking at your data and getting an understanding of the categorical data you may have. But it's really valuable for bar plot because we can feed bar plot that table directly. And so inside of bar plot, we can create our table here. And so instead of just giving it the column we want of region, we're putting all of that inside of the table and putting that into bar plot. And when we run that line, it gives us a basic bar chart with our 4 regions. We can add some options to make the graph a little more attractive. We can change the color with the option COL. And let's do a basic color this time, blue, and we'll run that. We can add a title to our graph, US presidents by region. And that'll go on the top. If we had more categories, we might have an issue with the names of our categories not showing on the bottom easily. The way to adjust that would be with CEX, which is character size. And names refers to the names of the variable showing, or the names of the categories showing on the x-axis. And we can give that a number and we can shrink it with a value like 0.5. That makes it smaller. Or we can make it larger with values above 1, such as that.